Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And if this is your first time here, let me introduce you to myself. So I'm Shubham. I'm a photographer and cinematographer based in India. And today's video is all about this. Just a second. So before starting today's video, I have a small announcement. I'm extremely delighted and proud to share that Oppo has selected me as one of their global product ambassadors. So from now on, I will be working with Oppo on their several projects and so on. And I'm extremely excited to start this new journey with Oppo. So for this video, we have the Oppo Reno 8 in the studio. Thanks again to Oppo for sending this device to test it out, make a review and make content. So let's unbox it. And this video is going to be the unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Reno 8 5G. And for detailed review, camera comparison and everything like that, subscribe and stay tuned. So let's unbox it and let's see what we have. Here is the box of Oppo Reno 8 and I just love the minimal blue box and the branding. Also, it's a 5G supported device. Okay, now let's open it up and let's see what we have here. So here we have another box and I think it has all the documentations in it. Let's see. Oh, we have a surprise. Oppo has included our TPU case as well. And see, it's not just another TPU case, it's special. It has raised corners with Reno branding. Also the style is kinda unique. Also there's a charger port cover. And here is all the documentations which we are not gonna read. And here is the SIM ejector tool, what you already have. Okay, good start. Let's keep it aside. Here we have another cover. Then we have the device. Let's unwrap it. And here is the Oppo Reno 8. Damn, this color looks way more satisfying than the pictures. And it changes color with the lights angle and that looks so cool. Also, have you noticed yet the device is really slim, like it's very easy to hold and it just feels so comfortable. I'm already a fan of how this device looks. Let's see what else we have here. So we have a USB-C charging cable and the charging brick, but it's not any ordinary charging brick. Oppo has included a 80-watt SuperVOOC charger here and it can just charge your device in a blink. No problem, we will test that as well, so keep watching for that. And we are done with the box contents. But oh boy, no one can ignore this beauty. So let's talk about it. So this device has a very stylish design and the shimmer gold variant grabs attention quite easily. While following the current design trends, Oppo has flattened the sides of the Reno 8 5G. This makes it easy to hold and comfortable to use single-handedly. The frame is made out of plastic but feels very premium to touch. You get a big 6.4-inch display in the front of this device with a cutout in the top left corner for the selfie camera. It has fairly thin bezels which helps offer an immersive experience, and Oppo has used Corning Gorilla Glass 5 over the display for protection. At 179 grams, the Reno 8 5G isn't heavy. The power and the volume buttons are positioned towards the middle of the frame on either sides, making them easy to reach. These buttons have a assuring click which helps avoid second guessing an input. The top of the frame only has the secondary mic. The SIM tray is at the bottom along with the USB Type-C port, speaker and the primary microphone. And the Oppo Reno 8 5G has a triple camera setup at the back. And the module is molded into the back panel which is sick. The camera lens cutouts are huge, which easily draws attention to the camera module. And about the camera specs, this device features a 50 megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and a 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies, it features a 32 megapixel selfie camera in the front. Now let's talk about the technical stuff. It features an AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. The Oppo Reno 8 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1300 SoC, an octa-core SoC which is clocked at 3 GHz. You get 2 nano SIM slots, and the tray has a rubber ring around it to offer some level of protection from dust and water. It has support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, dual 5G standby, and dual 4G VoLTE. The Reno 8 5G has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 80 watt fast charging. So, in short, it's a beast, and I'm gonna use it, test it for several days or maybe a week, and then I'm going to make the full review. So stay tuned for that, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe and stay tuned for more contents. Peace.